Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to transfer photo iPhone to Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So I'm use my cable. So this is a very super easy process without any hassle. So you need to just take Type-C cable and put in iPhone and put in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Okay, alright. Go to my control center and press on, then open it. So I'm just transfer photo, select it, click on the first option, select from gallery and press on. Make sure to allow. Okay, click on to menu option and showing it to MTP device. Press on, select, and now it's loading. You just wait few seconds. Okay, now scan all images. So look here, now scan this image. So simply just select on or multiple, press on to import. Okay, now import this image. So go back and open my gallery, album and recently. I'm recently saved this image. So that's it.